Look how they come together. Awesome. That's what I was standing over there just to get that. That is so beautiful. Come on, girl. All right. She probably want to get out. Come on, girl. Oh, you need to go somewhere else and go. You could have walked across the street, yo. I'm coming. T-girl. I want to see them fly away again. That's what I want to catch. It's something that's going to make them fly back again. Girl, look at the bird. Here you go. Girly. Girly. You love the ground, don't you? Yeah, you're in a different state. Come on, let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm ready. You gotta go with Flying J? Who said it was closed?